In this video, how to completely uninstall Armoury Crate from ASUS Motherboards. While you can uninstall Armoury Crate through the control panel, we'll demonstrate how to remove it completely using the official ASUS tool. From the Armoury Crate dashboard, you can check your motherboard model. Alternatively, you can find your motherboard model using the System Information app in Windows. Once you have your motherboard model, visit the ASUS Download Center. Use the search bar to look up your motherboard model. Click on Driver and Utility for your motherboard. Click Expand All to view all available downloads. Scroll down to the Utilities section and download the Armoury Crate Uninstall Tool. Extract the downloaded zip file. Run the Armoury Crate Uninstall Tool. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Uninstall wizard to completely remove Armoury Crate and its components from your computer. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. As you can see, Armoury Crate and all its associated components have been removed successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.